Hey there! In our previous video, we talked about how to send input to ChatGPT and receive output. Today, we're going to take it a step further and look at how you can customize the output using the temperature and top_P parameters. First, let's talk about the temperature parameter. This parameter controls the creativity of ChatGPT's output, with higher values resulting in more creative and varied responses, and lower values resulting in more predictable responses. You can set the temperature to any value between 0 and 1, with 0.5 being the default. For example, let's say you want ChatGPT to generate responses to the prompt, "What's your favorite color?" If you set the temperature to 0.5, ChatGPT might generate responses like, "My favorite color is blue," or "I really like the color green." These responses are similar to what you might expect from a human, but with some variations. If you set the temperature to a higher value, like 0.9, ChatGPT will generate more creative and unpredictable responses. For example, it might say, "My favorite color is the color of the rainbow after a storm," or "I like the color of a flamingo's feathers best." These responses are more creative and less predictable than the ones generated at a lower temperature. Now let's talk about the top_P parameter. This parameter controls the confidence of ChatGPT's output, with higher values resulting in responses that are more confident and certain, and lower values resulting in more diverse responses. You can set the top_P value to any number between 0 and 1, with 1 being the default. For example, let's say you want ChatGPT to generate responses to the prompt, "What's the capital of France?" If you set the top_P value to 1, ChatGPT will generate responses that are very confident and certain. It might say, "The capital of France is Paris," or "Paris is the capital city of France." If you set the top_P value to a lower value, like 0.5, ChatGPT will generate a wider range of responses, some of which may be more uncertain or less confident. It might say, "The capital of France is either Paris or Marseille," or "I'm not sure, but I think the capital of France is Lyon." These responses are less certain and more diverse than the ones generated at a higher top_P value. By using the temperature and top_P parameters, you can fine-tune the output of ChatGPT to suit your specific needs. Whether you want creative and varied responses, or confident and certain responses, these parameters give you the flexibility to customize the output to your liking. Here is an example of how you can set the temperature and top_P parameters using the API. Here is an example of how you can set the temperature and top_P parameters using the command line interface. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of how to customize the output of ChatGPT using the temperature and top_P parameters, with some examples to illustrate how they work. As always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out.